Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So Ramadan is right around the corner and I've been thinking, why is this month so special for us? I mean, we all know it's about fasting, but there's much more to it, right? It's a time for change, for growth, for really reconnecting with ourselves and with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By the way, I'm Fatima, and on this channel, I share thoughts and reflections on Islam. So if you're new here, welcome and hit the subscribe button for more videos. So here's the thing, Ramadan isn't just about not eating or drinking. It's also about not doing certain things like avoiding bad habits or staying away from gossip, lying, or any kind of sin. It's like for 30 days, we get to hit the rest button. It's like Allah is giving us a chance to press pause and really check in with ourselves. The distractions fade away, and we're left alone with just us and our Creator. And that's when the magic happens. So, Ramadan is not just about food, it's about focusing on what's truly important, which is cleaning our hearts and building a stronger connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And honestly, it's tough sometimes, right? I mean, the hunger, the thirst, it's real. But you know what I love about Ramadan? It's the feeling of control. Like you're not just surviving the day, you're thriving. I mean, it's like you have this inner strength that you didn't even know you had it before. And that's because you've surrendered to something greater than yourself. Have you ever noticed that during this month, our hearts feel more open and our connection with Allah feels stronger? That's the power of this month. It brings us closer to Allah. And honestly, when we're focused on Allah, it feels like we're in more control of ourselves and our actions. One of the most amazing things about Ramadan is that it brings us wisdom. Wisdom or hikmah is when knowledge and understanding flow from heart. And guess what? This is the gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ramadan isn't just a time to focus on ourselves, but also on others. This is the month of mercy, forgiveness, and giving. It's a time for istighfar and it'am, which means seeking forgiveness and feeding others. This is the month where we give from what we have, not just food, but also time, love, and care for other people around us. So, how can we make the most of this month? First things first, let's try to reduce time on the internet and social media. I mean, yeah, I get it. It's tempting to scroll endlessly. But what if we spend some of that time reading and reflecting on the Quran? How amazing would it be if we could finish a few surahs or at least understand their meanings this month? Also, let's pay attention to our health. I mean, we all know that Ramadan can mess with our eating habits, right? But it's important you eat properly. Make sure you're getting enough protein, fiber, vitamins, and all the good nutrients your body needs during Ramadan. It's easy to forget about these things because we're fasting all day. So, maintaining a balanced diet is really important. Also, don't overeat at iftar. I mean, we've all been there. When we see all that food in front of us, we just want to eat everything. But remember, your body will thank you if you eat just enough, not too much. Also, a light workout wouldn't hurt either. It can be as simple as stretching or going out for a walk. It'll keep your energy up and it'll help you feel better. And you know, life doesn't stop during Ramadan, right? You've got your work, your studies, your routine. So it's important to find a balance. Keep up with your normal life while still making time for worship, reflection, and connecting with your faith. And remember, Ramadan is also about making dua for each other. I pray for all of you that this month brings you peace, blessings, and spiritual growth. And I ask that you pray for me too. Let's support each other through our prayers because that's what this community is all about, lifting each other up. So, this Ramadan, let's really make it count. Let's grow, let's reflect, let's support each other. Ramadan is a gift. Let's make the most of it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comment how you're planning to make the most of this month. Also, hit the subscribe button so we can stay connected this Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you, and I'll see you in the next video.